Hello students, welcome back to your class of English. Today I'm here again with you with another video on one of the writing skills, that is article writing. As in your writing skills we have article writing, diary entry and paragraph writing. So today we'll discuss about article writing. So first of all, we must know that what is an article writing, what does it mean? An article is a non-fictional writing. Non-fictional means real, not imaginary. It describes any particular incident or discusses a theme or a social concern. So an article writing is a non-fictional piece of writing and it describes about any particular incident or discuss a theme or a social concern. It may be a social issue, it may be any social concern, a general topic that is related to the public, to the society. So it is based on real life incidents or the social concerned issues. If we talk about the article writing, it is one of the most important writing skill. If we really want to command on this article writing, on this skill, then definitely we need to follow a procedure, we need to follow a pattern, a format, and only then we would be able to write down a correct article. So let's find out, let's see that what are the important parts that we need to keep in mind, what are the things that must be kept in the mind while writing down an article. So most importantly here, I would like to tell you, my dear students, if we talk about article writing, as in other skills, the same with the article writing, format is compulsory. So let's talk about one by one. What would be the format, what would be the marking scheme? As we know that article writing is a real piece of writing. It based on social issues, general concerned issues, or any social or public affairs. So today let's talk about the format and the important elements of an article writing. So as we know that the article writing is concerned with the social issues, and if we talk about in today's scenario, what will be the most important or the widespread topic that is of general concern. I hope, my dear students, you have enough guess, you have guessed that what will be the topic. Yes, the topic would be about COVID-19. We know that this is an issue that is quite important, actually worldwide important, as we know that this is a virus that has spreaded all over the world and became a epidemic, or we can say a pandemic for all over the world. So in this condition, this would be the most suitable topic on which we can express our views, our ideas. So today we'll talk about, in our article writing, about COVID-19. So first let's talk about its parts. The first and the most important is the title. As we know that every writing skill has its own format, and when we talk about the format of article writing, it must have a title, a suitable heading, and it tells us about what the article is about, what is the topic, what is the subject of article writing. So the title should be the most suitable one, clearly stated, the precise one, the concise one. It should not consist more than 5 to 6 words. It should be the catchy one. It may be a quotation or it may be a proverb, but the idea or the thing is that it must be catchy. And the next is the name of the writer or the author. The first one is, if we talk about the format, the first element that we need to keep in mind is the title or the heading of the article writing, and the next one is the name of the writer or the author. So who will be the writer or the author? Obviously who is writing down that article writing. So in the statement, if the name is given of the writer, that suppose you are Rahul or you are Ria, the student of or the member of this NGO, and you have to write an article, then whatever the name is given, he or she would be the author. So the first would be the title, then byline, without leaving a line, there would be the name of the writer. And in case if this no name is given, then even you can write down XYZ. So the name of the writer is compulsorily written in the format of article writing. Yes. Then comes the gist, the body of the article writing. As we have discussed in the story writing, in the letter writing, even in the previous classes, that body is of the main importance. That if we talk about the article writing, then it has three parts. The first one, obviously, the introduction, that what is the topic about, what are really we want to quote or to state, and then what is the development of ideas related to that topic, what are the consequences, the reasons, the ideas or the statements that are verifying to that topic, and the next one would be the conclusion. So as we know that the body has three parts, the first would be the introduction. So the first paragraph should introduce the subject. It should tell the reader what the paragraph or the article is about and should be able to arouse his or her interest. And the next paragraph would be the develop cause-effect relationship. Means use facts, give examples, presentation of views must be logical and coherent as well. So in the next paragraph, in the second paragraph, there would be the usage of facts, consequences, statements, presentation of ideas. But the main important idea is that there should be the sequence of events and the logical and the coherent one. Then the comparison and contrast. Here in this paragraph, even you can talk about the views. Then even you can compare the views of yours with others. And the next one will be the conclusion, the sum up. So it means the summing up of the ideas, offering suggestions, remedies, measures to improve the situation. So overall it has three parts. So now, as we have talked about the format of the article writing, and we have discussed that what are the elements that we need to keep in mind, and before moving forward, that I just want to discuss with you the marking scheme of the article writing. As from your examination point of view, it will be of 8 marks. Now I will tell you the segregation, the distribution of marks as per the marking scheme. So we talk about the format. Format would be of 1 marks. In format, the examiner would see your title, the heading and the writer's name. It will consist of format, and your article writing should be segregate or would be divided into 3 paragraphs. The introductory, then the develop cause effect relationship paragraph, and then the concluding one. And if we talk about the content, it would be of 4 marks. So you have to develop the ideas and the other relevant points besides the given hints. So content would be of 4 marks. The format would be of 1 mark, which will consist title and the name of the writer, half marks each. And then expressions. Expressions would be of 3 marks. There should be in the expressions what will be checked: coherence and relevance of ideas in style, grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spellings. And overall you have to develop your own ideas and enhance the reading pleasure on the part of the readers. And now let's talk about the important tips, that what are the tips that we need to keep in mind, or we need to follow to make the article writing most interesting as well as most scoring. The first important tip is read the question carefully. Whatever the statement is given, then you have to read that statement very carefully. Write your ideas. Develop your ideas. What is your thinking process? What are the ideas after reading the questions occurring or coming up in your mind? So note down. Then use expressions. In expressions, you need to think about the grammatical accuracy. You can use some phrases like noun phrases, or even you can use proverbs. You can add quotations, saying, proverbs, the facts or the words or the sentences or the important quotes quoted by the famous personalities to make your article more relevant and more interesting. So now, for example, take a look on one of the example. Newspapers report more cases of road rage than ever before. A road safety survey. Write an article in about 120 words for a local newspaper highlighting the issue of road rage. In your article, you should then see, my dear student, this article is about the road safety survey. As in the newspapers, most of the time they report about the cases of road rage than ever before. Now the road rage, the patience has got over, and people just because of impatience or just in over speeding, they just wanted to cross each other, and that's why the most of the accidents are occurring. So a road safety survey, you have to write down about in 120 words that highlighting the issue of road rage. Here, as you know that you can here add some important quotes or the survey reports, or moreover you can quote the facts related to India or the other countries as well. Express concern at the alarming increase in the number of cases of road rage. List some causes of this menace and suggest practical ways to deal with the problem. As my dear students, our today's theme is about the COVID-19. So here today we'll discuss about the COVID-19, that what are the steps or the measures we should take to stop the spread of COVID-19. So today's topic of article writing would be that you have to write an article on how to stop the spread of COVID-19. So first of all, as we know that we'll give a suitable title. So the suitable title would be